A very good morning to Reverend Sister Principal, respected sister, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends.
Today, the air is filled with vibrant yellow, the scent of spring blossoms, and the promise of new beginnings.
Welcome to our Basant Panchami Assembly by Class 7B. First of all,
We wish you a happy Basant Panchami.
it is said that worship of God is just incomplete without recitation of verses, shlokas, aarti, or singing of ritual songs for God.
So, to invoke the blessings of Ma Saraswati, let's begin this day with Sacred Vandana of Ma Saraswati. For this, I would like to invite Anil sir and his choir.
Now, to pay homage,
वीणा ऊपर करवाएं वीणा करते इसकी वीणा ऊपर करवाएं
सरस्वती महाभाग्यम वीणा पुस्तकदायिनी विश्वरूपी विशालाक्षी देवी विद्या सरस्वती सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं कर दे काम रूपिणी विद्या कर स्वामी सिद्धि बहुत में सदा अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे हाथों में वीणा हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे तू स्वर्ग की देवी तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरे मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरे हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे
Now, to pay homage, I would like to invite Reverend Sister Principal and all the activities teacher, Anil sir, Mukesh Das sir, Nisha ma'am and Pratima ma'am. Kindly come forward.
I would also like to call some of my friends to come forward to offer your pen, book and instrument to seek blessings of Ma Saraswati. Aditi, followed by pledge.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I should always strive to be worthy of it. I should give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotions in this well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Chinmamal from class 7th with today's thought of the day. May the light of learning illuminate your path. Spring is here bringing hope and wisdom, and may Goddess Saraswati bless you with knowledge and prosperity. Thank you.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। अर्थात जो देवी सभी प्राणियों में बुद्धि के रूप में स्थित है उन्हें नमस्कार नमस्कार बार बार नमस्कार।
To tell more about the importance of Basant Panchami, here come Navya and Avitra.
A very chill and cheerful morning to everyone present here. Today we celebrate Basant Panchami, marking the arrival of spring and honoring Goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge, art and music.
So first of all, on the behalf of entire SFS family, we wish you a
Happy Basant Panchami to all. Today we celebrate Basant Panchami, dedicated to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of truth and wisdom.
According to the Hindu mythology, the goddess Saraswati symbolizes constant flow of knowledge and wisdom. It is also believed as the birthday of goddess Saraswati.
On this day, people wear yellow clothes and offer yellow flowers to goddess.
Books, pens and musical instruments are offered in front of the goddess to seek her blessings and wisdom and creativity.
On this beautiful day, let's remember how nature shells its old leaves and welcome new blossoms. In that way, we should let go of negativity and embrace new ideas, positivity and learning.
May Goddess Saraswati bless us with wisdom, creativity and the courage to chase our dreams.
Let the vibrant colors of spring inspire us to bring happiness in our lives.
On this sacred day, let's strive to cultivate knowledge, wisdom and appreciate the beauty of nature and spread positivity.
May the colors of spring inspire our lives and the lives of those around us.
फूलों की वर्षा,
शरद का फुहार,
सूरज की किरणें,
खुशियों की बहार,
चंदन की खुशबू,
अपनों का प्यार, मुबारक हो आप सबको बसंत पंचमी का यह त्योहार. With this wonderful quote, we would like to conclude our speech.
May your day filled with happiness and positivity.
Once again, we wish you a happy Basant Panchami to all. Thank you.
Thank you friends for such a wonderful message.
Kindly get ready for the national anthem.